It is a company that manufactures laboratory machines and components and runs quality control testing operations, sample studies for process determination and development, tests under operating conditions with its machinery design, particularly for the textile and chemical industry. Ataç was founded in 1994 as a family company by two respected partners with so much experience in their field of expertise. Thanks to the projects and investments they have made and developed in their own fields since their establishment, Ataç has become a brand and pioneer in the sector. It continues to provide services and advantages to its customers, with more than 150 machines and devices developed by experienced personnel using qualified equipment. It has developed many products through innovative processes as per customer requests. It has turned 20 of the many machines that it developed to obtain the best results in the laboratory environment into a patented product by following the processes in the enterprises. Ataç, opening itself not only to every region of Turkey, but also to the entire world, has become an internationally preferred brand with its exports within the principle of mutual trust. It continues to provide products to 1,070 customers in Turkey and more than 100 customers in 25 countries abroad, and to offer its services as Ataç Machinery. It has made a name with the special projects it conducted and supported about trainings in cooperation with universities, junior technical colleges, vocational high schools, and courses and training institutions that train qualified personnel for Turkish textile sector, and has increased the confidence in its brand to another level. Ataç has never made any concessions from the first day of its establishment to the present. Together with the services it offers, it has always regarded customer confidence and satisfaction as its priorities. For this purpose, it has made it a principle to work in accordance with the legal requirements that guarantee the technical support and service quality before and after sales, and it continues to serve its customers with its constantly evolving designs.